Namaste everyone. I am Shreya. Welcome to SS Craft Mantra. Today we are going to make Alphabet E gift box and a gift which we can give our loved ones. This is a series where I had made all alphabet boxes and cute gifts for each alphabet. Do check out Alphabet and Numbers Craft playlist for more such videos. Without wasting time, let's get started with the tutorial. Let's first learn to draw perfect alphabet E with the help of 1-inch grit paper. Your alphabet E is ready. Trace the alphabet E on another paper. Mark 0.3 cm and make another alphabet E. If your strips are short, then you can join the strips. Fold the lines as shown in the video. With the help of folded sides, measure the border of alphabet E and make cuts at the turnings and fold the strips. Repeat the same process. For making lid of the alphabet E box, repeat the same process. Your alphabet E gift box is ready. You can give gifts and chocolates in this box. Now let's make alphabet E diary. Take colorful chart paper or colorful sheet. Fold the lines as shown in the video. Now staple the pages. Draw alphabet E. Your alphabet E diary is ready. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.